Do you want to have the fastest 96 to 04 Cobra or Mach 1 Mustang in your town? Then you need this 4-valve plate system from Nitrous Express. We have combined performance, quality, and ease of installation in this new nitrous system engineered specifically for 96 to 04 Cobra and Mach 1 Mustangs. Thanks to the use of our superior components, this system is able to add up to 300 horsepower straight to your rear wheels at the flip of a switch. There are a few parts that stand out from the rest in this system. First up is the spray barless billet aluminum throttle body plate. This plate is CNC machined for the perfect fit and anodized in black for the ultimate in corrosion resistance and looks. Without any spray bars to sag, rotate, or disrupt airflow, this is truly the next generation of nitrous technology. Next up is our Lightning Series solenoids. These solenoids feature CNC machined billet aluminum bodies topped with carbon fiber cans for the ultimate in weight savings, performance, and looks. The solenoid bases offer an improved flow path that eliminates sharp turns and expansion areas in the nitrous flow path. This keeps the nitrous in dense liquid form, making you more power while utilizing less nitrous. Another one of these awesome components is our Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old style brass valves. If you purchase your system with a bottle, we include this awesome billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. We also include everything you need to complete the installation, including a wide open throttle switch, a Schrader valve fuel rail adapter, jetting for 50 to 300 rear wheel horsepower, stainless braided lines, and all of the necessary hardware to complete the installation. So if you're ready to have one awesome Cobra or Mach 1 Mustang, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.